Okay.
Yeah. Here you go, sweetie. There you go. There's no skin, but you be careful of bones. Maybe there might be some.
No skin. วันนี้นะคะก็จะเป็นมาทานอาหารลดน้ำหนักกันนะคะเพื่อนๆนี่แซลมอนนะคะอบแซลมอนกับเทริยากินะคะ
The skin is right over there on the foil.
ค่ะก็จะมีสลัดที่จะมี
Let me give you some potatoes. I asked the lady at the shop where the salmon was from.
I don't know.
She said it was Norwegian salmon. You know, they say you don't want to necessarily have farm salmon, you know?
ก็มาทานอาหารมื้อเย็นฝึกภาษาอังกฤษสนทนาในชีวิตประจำวันกันนะคะเพื่อนๆภาษาอังกฤษ My husband is easy to understand.
Well, I taught in Thailand, right? And my students were Thai. And I quickly learned that if I talked more slowly, they would understand me.
แฟนพิมพ์จะสอนที่ไทยนะคะงั้นเขาเลยจะ speak English slowly นะคะ
You know, it's not their first language. When I moved back to America, the students thought I talked really slow. In fact, when I applied for the job, the students gave feedback to the committee. They said they really liked how I talked really slow. Isn't that funny?
Yeah. ก็คือแฟนพูดช้านะคะเพื่อนๆฟังภาษาอังกฤษแฟนออกนะคะก็คือก็ได้ฟังออกค่ะอร่อย How is that? My salad very good.
Looks good.
ผักเพียบนะคะ
I think the salmon's good, sweetie. You like it? You can taste the marinade. I think I can. Can you tell the difference between this salmon and the salmon from HEB?
Yeah.
I think this is better. Or do you think I'm crazy?
I don't know, but from HEB, they're not cut right away though, right?
Yeah, it's not fresh.
Alive.
The potatoes are good too. Have you had any bones?
ทุกวันคือกินแบบนี้นะคะช่วยลดน้ำหนักมากค่ะอบแซลมอนนะคะฝรั่งจะไม่นิยมกินข้าว not often eat rice but our house
Not often eat rice? You think so? Would you like some more?
yeah ส่งทั้งกี่ทุ่มครึ่งแล้วนะคะเนี่ย
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know what you're thinking.
What? Oh, lick my finger? I would never do that. It's my super. Did I do that on our first date? No.
No เพิ่มไม่ได้นะคะเรียนนิ้ว
Maybe if I did on first date, I would not have second date.
You're not part to second date.
You know, I didn't eat seafood until I was about 25.
ยังไม่อีซีฟู้ดอาหารทะเล Why not?
I don't know. You know, I used to fish when I was a kid. And I would catch trout. I didn't like the taste of it. So I thought, oh, I don't like fish, I guess. But didn't realize that different types of fish can taste very different.
โอ้เมียอันนี้ผักเราใช้ออร์แกนิกสลัดนะคะลด 50% วันนี้นะคะ ก็เลยไปสอยมา ก็มีคอร์นนะคะ
Corn is good.
Yeah, it's very sweet and fresh.
I really like how this dinner, it tastes good and it feels really healthy.
Yeah. เป็นคนชอบกินผักมากค่ะ อร่อยไหม
Oh, why? It's so crisp.
crispy กรอบนะคะที่แบบนี้ไม่มีทางอ้วนค่ะลดน้ำหนักก็ดีเลย
I don't think the corn is nearly as good in the winter, right? Seems like in the summer, the best time.
No good.
Sometimes we buy it and it's not so good, right?
You see ในบอล
Not yet.
ปลาทู
That's pretty good. They did a good job filleting it.
Yeah. ตัวร้อยอร่อยมากค่ะเนื้อหวาน
Did I do a good job on dinner?
thank you ให้เครดิตคนนะคะเพราะว่าแฟนเป็นคนทำทั้งหมดนะคะพี่ไม่ได้ทำดินเนอร์วันนี้ค่ะก็เตรียมแค่สลัด
I can do this one, right?
yeah How long you bake salmon?
I think it ended up being 20 minutes at 400 degrees.
Wow.
You know, I looked
Keep
online.
it hot.
I looked online and it said 12 to 15. But that did not work.
But in this plain stove, you know.
Yeah, and they don't know the size of the salmon, you know.
No.
This is thicker.
These are one pie and a half.
And it's just thick, you know. When we get at HEB, it's a little thinner, I think. And whether you cook at room temperature or it's been in the refrigerator. That probably makes a difference too. It had been in the refrigerator. It was very cold. I have to remember that part of it too. It was in the refrigerator. Like, you want some more corn?
You ate two, Kitty?
What?
Corn. You ate two?
No.
I couldn't hear that.
It was a long time ago, sweetie.
Okay.
Thank you.
I need to call my mom today. Not call her for a long time.
You want some more?
No, thank you.
Excuse me.
Hello. Hello, Mom. Huh?
No.
No.
Let me get a tissue. Excuse me. It's been over 10 minutes, sweetie. That matters.
อร่อย
อร่อยมาก Can I get you some more salmon?
No thank you I'm full
You're full. I have a little bit more. My mom always would make with leftover salmon, she'd always make a salad like you just did, and just put salmon in it, eat it for dinner. You ate a lot, sweetie.
Yeah I'm hungry
Good job.
โอเคนะคะเพื่อนๆ ก็พี่มิมแล้วนะคะ he not yet full นะคะแฟนยังไม่ full almost
So they call me Moo.
นะคะเราก็มาเจอกันในคลิปต่อไปนะคะเพื่อนๆถ้าใครมีคำถามหรือว่าอยากแนะนำให้พิมพ์นั้นทำคลิปแนวไหนออกมาหรือยังไงนะคะคอมเมนต์ไว้ด้านล่างนะคะเจอกันในคลิปต่อไปก็ขอแรงใจเพื่อนๆช่วยกด subscribe ติดตามให้ด้วยนะคะกดไลค์กดแชร์ได้เลยนะคะขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ